Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make basil butter. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including about 2 sticks of unsalted butter and a generous bunch of vibrant basil. Ensure your butter is softened to room temperature for easy mixing. We'll also need a few simple seasonings to enhance the flavor profile. This guide will walk you through each step to create a delicious, versatile compound butter. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Start by washing and thoroughly drying about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves. This prevents a watery butter. Next, finely mince 2 cloves of garlic to ensure even distribution of flavor. Finally, zest 1/2 of a lemon, being careful to avoid the bitter white pith for a lovely citrusy lift. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to mix. In a medium bowl, combine your softened butter with the finely chopped basil and minced garlic. Add the lemon zest, along with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Use a spatula or a fork to thoroughly mix all the ingredients until they are well incorporated and evenly distributed throughout the butter. To store your delicious basil butter, spoon it onto a piece of parchment paper and roll it into a log shape. Twist the ends to seal, then refrigerate for at least 1 hour until it's firm. Once chilled, you can slice off portions as needed. It's fantastic on roasted vegetables, tossed with hot pasta, or melted over grilled chicken or steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.